Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC tips and tricks. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, and in this video, I will show you how to simply unzip or extract any zip folder on your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. This particular file folder here, I'm going to use this as an example. First thing first, go ahead and make sure you click on the file, on the zip file. Once you click on the zip file, right click on it. And once you right click, these options here is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to WinRAR. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to the particular zip folder name, just like what you see right here. Go ahead and click on the zip folder name. And in a few seconds, it's going to be successfully extracted to the side of the same original zip folder. With that, you can easily click on the folder, press enter key on your keyboard, then you have all elements or files that has been zipped into that particular zip folder. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.